Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video of makeup haul. This time I'm bringing you a Sugar Cosmetics makeup haul. I hope you like this. So if you want to see what I've got from Sugar Cosmetics, please keep on watching the video. Okay, I ordered Sugar Matte as a lip crayons, and there was an offer going on where you purchase for 14.99 maybe, or I don't know exactly, where you purchase for a particular amount and then you'll be getting something free. Maybe a liquid lipstick mini set, or maybe a lip crayon, or anything that you select. So there was this offer going on Sugar Cosmetics website, Sugar website. So I ordered two different parcels on two different dates. So the first order that I placed was of these matte lip crayons. This is matte as a lip crayon in the shade Miss Rosa. This is matte as a lip crayon in the shade Molly Brown. Now I have a lot of shades in this range, and this is one of my favorite lip crayons ever. And I'm a big lipstick hoarder. If you know by now, this lipstick is my favorite makeup item. If I tend to buy makeup products, 90% of my purchases is lipsticks all the time, because I really love lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, or any sort of lip product. So this is my favorite lip crayon, and this is from Sugar Matte as a lip crayon range. These are the new shades that they recently launched. So this is Molly Brown. Okay, so it's sealed, completely sealed. This is Molly Brown. So my hand is already stained from filming a previous video. I'm filming back to back today, so please ignore this. I'll be swatching it here. This is Molly Brown. It's a peachy terracotta shade. Exactly why I ordered it, because terracotta, rusty kind of shades, that is my favorite skin tone. That is my favorite tone. Terracotta shades, that's my favorite tone. So this is peachy brown. The name is Molly Brown, 29. The other one that I ordered was Miss Rosa, shade number 32. Miss Rosa. As the name suggests, it will be rose berry kind of a shade. So this is Miss Rosa, a mauve berry kind of a shade, right next to Molly Brown. This is Molly Brown, 29. This is Miss Rosa, 32. Yes, 32. Along with each lip crayon, they sent a Sugar Cosmetics sharpener free. And this is a really nice sharpener, because it comes with a lid. A very unique, very customer friendly sharpener. I have never seen such a sharpener. Look at this. See, the lip crayon, it's for $8.99, but the quality of the sharpener that they give for free along with each lip crayon, it comes with a lid. It's so chic. I think this only, if someone else is making this, only can be of 250 rupees. This totally, these are all worth it. I really like the packaging of Sugar Cosmetics. All their products, starting from this packaging where everything is graphic and well thought of, very different. No one else is making such kind of packaging where the packaging is 3D. It's really nice. These lip crayons, the shape of the lip crayons, the packaging of the lip crayons, it's totally chic, totally, high-end kind of a packaging. It's really nice. The quality of the sharpener, I have never seen such a sharpener. This is my favorite sharpener, and this comes with a bigger hole for the lip crayons and a smaller hole where you can sharpen your pencils. So again, a dual use sharpener, and two lip crayons, two sharpeners. So I have bunch of sharpeners and I have bunch of these lip crayons. I got this for free. This is the mini liquid lipstick box. Its MRP is $7.99 and I got this for free. Wow. And I did not see this, that they are also sending this for free. So this is a bonus for me. I never knew that I'm getting a pouch for free. I'm so happy. इतना खुश हो गई ना, कहते हैं ना वो सोने पे सुहागा काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, कि मुझे तो सिर्फ इसी का मालूम था कि यही फ्री में आ रहा है. इसका मुझे ज़रा भी आइडिया नहीं था. मैंने देखा भी नहीं उस पर कि ये फ्री में आ रहा है. अभी मैं पाउच को देख के तभी बड़े सरप्राइज थी कि पाउच क्यों आ गया, ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था आ रहा है. बट स्टिल आ गया. तो it's very nice golden pouch, shimmery, glittery. Every girl loves glitter, so I also like glitter and shimmer. So anyhow, let me open this Sugar Cosmetics mini liquid lipstick box. Now these are in the shade 14 Tea Mystique. Let me swatch the baby liquid lipsticks for you. Wow, these are so cute. Liquid lipsticks has given birth to babies. With birthdays and giving birth to babies, I have to tell you one update, or not update, but I have to tell you one thing, that my son is turning 5 on Monday, 21st December, and 20th December I got admitted to the hospital 5 years back, and I went to the hospital like I was going on a holiday. I was going on a trip. I packed my bags. I went because mine was a planned cesarean. I already told my doctor I don't want to go through that labor pain because I have low blood pressure issue and low blood sugar issues. So my mom was like, अगर पेन्स हुई और ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई तो ये तो वहीं पे पहले ही बेहोश हो जाएगी. सो उस सिचुएशन में आने से बेटर है कि आप सिजेरियन ही कर दो. एंड आई वॉज वॉन्टिंग, मतलब मैंने आई हैव स्टडीड बायो. सो आई टोल्ड माई गाइनी दैट इफ़ यू आर गिवन अ चॉइस दैट यू वॉन्ट टू गिव birth to a baby through your womb, through your uterus, or through your vagina, which one will you select? I told that I will select uterus, I will not select vagina. So I wanted to go for planned cesareans. Anyhow, my son is turning 5 years old on 21st. So I'm also planning mini birthday party for him at home, only because of course we cannot invite anybody due to the pandemic. We are not even inviting the family or relatives because we are strictly following social distancing. And I haven't met my parents from a long time. And even I have planned a compilation video where I've asked all my relatives, all my family members to send a happy birthday message or a dance or something through him for my sons, and I'll compile that and show it to him so that it's a good gesture for the kid and he feels little happy. And I'll be decorating the house, I'll be baking a cake for him. Maybe I will film a vlog for that also, but since the time constraint is there and it's 18th today and it's just 3 days now and I have to do all the decoration. I've prepared a Christmas tree out of chart paper because again we are not going anywhere, so I cannot get decoration material from a shop or somewhere. Here the Amazon is on the containment. It's a containment zone right now, and so Amazon is also not sending anything to our area. So whatever I can get from a particular shop, a stationery shop here, I'm asking that man to deliver that to our house. So anyhow, enough of rambling about that. That will be a separate thing. Now let me swatch these for you. This is Teak Mystique. Finally, I'll be swatching it. Teak Mystique 14. Wow. Red berry with red maroon with little berry undertones. The second one that I got for free is Very Mulberry. Oh, I already have Very Mulberry in a bigger size. And I did a written blog about it on my liptalk.com, liptalk by Yukti, where I talked about the berry and cranberry undertones. So I already have this one. This is a mulberry berry kind of a tone. Now the next one is Sauve Mauve in the shade 9. Number 9, Sauve Mauve. Recently I'm getting a lot of mauves. Wow, this is a nice nude kind of a mauve. Let me swatch this for you. This is Sauve Mauve. Pink light mauve kind of a shade. This is Toast Roast in the shade 42. Again, I have Toast Roast in a bigger form. So this is Toast Roast 42. It's a berry, red berry kind of a tone. Slightly pink undertones. So this is the thing that I got for free. Teak Mistake, Very Mulberry, Sauve Mauve, and the last one was Toast Roast. Yeah. The other box that I ordered later on, I got other two shades from the same Matte as a lip crayon range, and with that I also ordered this Aquaholic hydrating stick, and with this I got this Base of Glory pore minimizing primer free. So let me show you the lip crayons, the other two shades. Again, I've got two new sharpeners, the same beautiful ones. Now this is Honey Rider shade number 28. I'll swatch it here. Yeah, this is Honey Rider shade number 28. Honey Rider shade number 28. This is Veronica Mars shade number 36. Veronica Mars 36. It's a caramel brown kind of a shade. A chocolate, not a chocolate brown, but yes, bone brown. Also, I ordered this Aquaholic hydrating stick. I ordered this because it looks quite similar to the Milk Cosmetics hydrating stick, which is I think not available in India. I've never ordered it, but it is quite similar to that one. So I wanted to try this for my face because my face is very dry and this seemed to be very promising. This is Sugar Cosmetics Aquaholic hydrating stick. I will be doing a separate review on this because I am very excited to try this out. I'll try this out and then let you know how this works. It comes with a lid and you have to rotate it and then this will come out. It smells a little minty, very fresh, and you have to twist it. See. So the packaging will not go anywhere. If you keep it in your bag, your purse, your makeup bag, anywhere, this will not move. You have to rotate it and then it will open. So I will try this and then let you know how this works. The ingredients mentioned, yes, the ingredients are water, aqua, glycerine, sodium stearate, butyl glycol, and a lot of others. So anyhow, and it has sodium hyaluronate. Wow, it has hyaluronic acid byproduct in it. So a hyaluronic acid kind of a thing, witch hazel. Wow, menthol. Yes, that's why it was a little minty. So it has hyaluronate a hyaluronic acid product, so it will be very moisturizing to the skin, hence it is hydrating. And it has witch hazel again, which is very good for the skin. So anyhow, I will be talking about all the ingredients, the ingredient deciphering, the full ingredient deciphering, and the full review of this product separately in another video. So along with these, I got this for free. This is Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. If this is pore minimizing, I hope this will be silicone based. Okay, it has tocopherol acetate, it has vitamin E byproduct, it has dimethicone, now dimethicone, and it has cyclopentasiloxane. Again, it is silicone based, and it has dimethicone. Dimethicone is very uh, important for the skin to provide a slip, and this is how the packaging looks. I'll not be talking about this product separately here. I'll be talking about it separately in another video. Yes, this is silicone based, you can see. So this will blur out your pores. So again, I will try it and then let you know how this works. So anyhow, this was it for Sugar Cosmetics haul. If you like my video, if you like this haul, then please do let me know. If you would like to see any other review, particular, or one product dedicated review from any of these products that I've shown you, please do let me know in the comment box down below. And if you like my video, please do share and subscribe, and like my video, please show some love, and please subscribe to my channel before you leave. Before going, subscribe to me. Please show some love. Bye bye, take care all of you. I hope you are doing well in this pandemic, and I hope all of you stay happy and safe. Bye, and yes, Merry Christmas. So this lip crayon with this sharpener, it's such a